Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be putting you through on how to make the Auto Gele, the Iconic Auto Gele. You like the one I have on? I love this particular Auto Gele because you can wear it on English outfit, you can wear it on native, you can rock it on gown. And the beauty about the Auto Gele is that it comes in ready formats. And you can, in less than a minute, you're good to go. For those that want to make a business out of it, right now we have the Western world demanding for this particular Auto Gele because of the fact that you can wear it on any outfit. And for those that want to know how to make it, today I'll be showing you on how to make it on this TV channel. And the first thing when it comes to the Auto Gele is that you have to know the measurements. It's very key. The ashoke, which we use for this Auto Gele, it comes like this. You're going to cut it. It comes sometimes in 60 centimeters, sometimes it comes in 90, depending on the particular one you bought. You're going to cut it. It comes in 8. We call it awe. It is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. Can you see? You're going to cut it. You're going to use your scissors, you're going to cut it into 3 different hours. Then you're going to join it together. After joining it together, you're going to put your strap. The strap is to help the lady that's going to wear it, to adjust it to her head shape. You know, every lady, we have different type of head shapes, head size. The strap is to make it easy for the woman to wear. After cutting it, you cut it in a different hour. I'm going to cut it now. Then you join it together. This is already made ones. Can you see? It's so beautiful. You like it, right? Can you see? You're going to join it together. I have one here already, which I'm going to join together. This is it. You're going to join it together. After joining it together, you're going to put your strap at the back. Then, after putting your strap, you know the next thing. If you have a dummy, you have a mannequin, and you have someone, then you can use them to practice and also to tie it. Mannequin is easy because you don't need someone. It's not all the time you have somebody easily available that you can use their head. So you can use a mannequin. The mannequin comes very handy. And right now I have someone I wish I'm going to use. Why they join us, darling? You're welcome. Have your seats. This is the one this is our finished job that we just made. I want to strap it. Can you see? I'm going to adjust it. That's the beauty about the ready to wear gele. And for those that want to buy, we have it at Ojulewa. It comes in different colors. We ship it to different countries, to different cities. Can't you see, you guys? It's so beautiful. And we have in different colors, in different shapes. All you have to do is for you to order yours. We ship it to any city you are in, any state you are in. Just call our number right now. We're going to send it right to your doorsteps. No more struggle, ladies. No more sweating to dye your gele. Just call our number. And have you watched our last video? Go right now. Go and watch our last video. And please, guys, remember to click the subscribe button. Go right now and click the subscribe buttons. See you next time. Bye-bye. Standard. Another bedroom where they boss. We know they spend them.